Okay, so Romana and Jane take off on track 2. Romana, McCall and Jane on Pein. He's our navigator. Jane, a first-time Navi. Romana, a regular competitor. Welcome to four-wheel drive events, Jane, lugging trees around. As I said, they have to put a wheel over every tyre. Jane Gerrish heads into track 1. Big Red Racing takes on track 1. A very serious competitor here at the park, regular competitor in four-wheel drive events all over the place. Have a look at the back of the car, it's got a little sticker across the back that says you can follow me, but it's going to hurt. So Jane and Romana on track 2, trying to make their way through the concrete-filled tyres. Shane heads off on track 1. John Bezos about to head off on track 3 in the track about Campers Cruiser.
Back up.
Now, of course, a lot of these drivers and competitors communicate by radio as they go around. We might just have a listen into the radio communications between Romana and Jane for a minute.
Did you read in your idea the other day? Tom and Katie are having another baby. Oh, by the way, turn the wheel to the left.
She's not really stuck on the log, she's broken a nail. I can get away with that because my wife races, so. No, Jane, you've got to be more forceful. Talk to her as if she's your hubby.
Move the car back there.
Now, of course, Romana's driven over these tyres hundreds of times before, or maybe 10 times before. You've been over them before. But usually they go the other direction, you see, so they probably, all their tactics were probably thrown out today when they turned up. Sounds like John V's having a bit of fun there on track 3. So hard when they're all over there and we're all over here. He hasn't rolled over or anything, so that was the sort of cheer it was. It was a big excitement cheer. So Jane doing it tough in her first competition event as a navigator. Big Red Racing heads around the top of track 1.
Come on, get off it.
These guys must be getting towards the end of their 5-minute DNF time. What are you doing, Sterling? Giving your golf cart a rest. I'm going to ring the golf cart union. That's cruel, mate. Two of you in that.
Struggles.
Could be worse. Could be worse. Could be me and Scotty in it. That's not funny. Have you got to fix it?
Got it.
You're not a farmer, Sterling. How did you get this job? This lucky. You heard there's something with a kink in it. Okay, Big Red Racing at good time, I'd say, out there on track 1. Navigator in, seatbelt on. And that's a finish for the guys from Big Red. Well done. For those that like a bit of variety in their four-wheel drive events, we've got 3 great events over the weekend. As we said all day here today, the Superior All-Terrain Challenge. That's what we like to see, someone having a go. A serious go.